Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download any video from your Twitter, and it's pretty simple. So first you need to go to twitter.com and log in into your Twitter account. Now from over here, choose the video which you want to download. So I'm going to open a random video. So let's say I want to download this video. So what I need to do is open up this video first. After opening up this video, click on this little share icon at the bottom right of the screen. Click on where it says copy link. Now once I copy the link of the video, what I need to do is on my browser, I need to search for Twitter video downloader. Now once I search for Twitter video downloader, it's going to take me to the site where I can download Twitter videos. So let's wait for some time. Now from over here, you can choose whichever option you like, but I like to go with the second option, which is twittervideodownloader.com. Go to this website, it's going to look just like this. Over here, you can paste the link which you just copied from your Twitter. And after you paste the link which you just copied from your Twitter over here, you can click on where it says download. Once you click on download, it's going to show you the video. Now this is the video which I want to download, so I will click on download video. So you can choose which resolution you want to download in. Once you click on it, you can click on the three dot again and click on download, and your video will start to download. Once it completes downloading, you can just open it to see the video. So as you guys can see, the video has been downloaded on my laptop. So yeah, that's how you guys can download any video from Twitter X. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.